Hon Akufo Addo nipafo a na no abuo gumu a wo ma na ma kakura a gise uso na no na odi.
Hi guys, this is Fast on Ghana TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I am scandalized. Guys, I am shocked about the fact that Kennedy Agyapong is running away from all that he has done to President Akufo Addo. I thought you were bold. Guys, Kennedy Agyapong was in Bia constituency. Guys, those of you who don't know Bia constituency, it is in Western North region. Guys, Kennedy Agyapong went there to campaign to the delegates to choose him as the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party going into election 2028. He has been campaigning and he was trying to address certain allegations against his person. Guys, everybody knows Kennedy insults. Everybody knows Kennedy is expressive. Everybody knows Kennedy Agyapong can insult even women. It is a known fact. That is why his campaign team came up with a strategy to justify all that Kennedy has done in this country. But I think that is not working for him. So, listen, Kennedy is saying that he did not ever insult President Akufo Addo. Guys, Kennedy Agyapong said President Akufo Addo enuma buagum, like nanuma buagum. He insulted President Akufo Addo. In fact, this is a known fact. But according to Kennedy, after meeting delegates and trying to convince them to vote for him as a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, he's running away from all that he said. According to him, his words were twisted by journalists and bloggers. And I'm like, have you now become a coward? Why is it because of power? So you are scared to admit you insulted President Akufo Addo? Okay, what about the delegates you insulted? What about the fact that you called the members of the New Patriotic Party stupid? And you were like, and I quote, NPP for the Jimmy. Guys, have a listen.
NPP for NPP now. Read my lips. NPP. If you answer, Jimmy pa.
What about this one? Was this particular comment by you twisted by journalists as well? Guys, Kennedy Agyapong is now trying to become a saint. I thought you said you were confident. I thought you said you were bold. I thought you said you were a very strong person and you can face every hurdle that comes your way. So now why are you running? Why are you running? Guys, listen to the ridiculous lies coming from Kennedy Agyapong.
Mishia already also a boss or Tigo. And also I know your face, familiar face. I follow you on Twitter, Facebook, say, and Oyi video back. I will say video no na me can say Hon Akufo Addo nipafo a na no abuo gumu a wo ma na ma kakura a gise uso na no na odi. Mama nchire eye abrenti wo wane etia yeni mobo efise party ni ba power yentini anhwemo ya nya bibia ama wo kopaduma yesi tuasika 20,000 and sa na obanye recruitment wo kopaduma yesi nya party interior wa ha wo kopaduma yesi ko online enam se NDC for any other contract akese e ma wo make an Agyapong nya contract ni bi en wo mo de nam na Ghana contract nyina e de ma Kennedy Agyapong abrantie bi ye friend Kofi Joe we road contractor e wo Ashanti region ena chiramatin ya wo airport en wo ne me brother we lawyer ena omu fa plane akokumasi abrantie no that time na Ibrahim asonasin e wo rose mu anya sika ntino ofi say that is the end of the world. Oshia Tramatin or very gentle, a gentleman but that day the bufu. Oshia Oma wine, more NPP, Mobile no mapa power, a Akufo Addo, the Pafua, na no abu aguma o man milk kra this also na no and wakato we na mudi nachi woni me yenyansa dodo he was the first contractor obi otimi di Akufo Addo atem say he was the first contractor oni adwuma wo Ashanti region okwa kofijo abrantie bi ya frano Seromen ono ena koye adwuma ewo Serelio ena wodi sika 4 million in 2012 ebra minister bnamoa because in Accra AU village ni fie na mde go kemu ekoma president Akufo Addo that 2012 say nipa wey ye winning power atitia omudi saa brantie ni ko NPP new na obi a onu tumi di Akufo Addo atem e wo airport wo nipam onu mbom o ma pagya no de na ko kire Akufo Addo because on there atendidi ombi no wa antibindi no ene pagya contract akese e di man timiti ya no ko mi am radio station na na catch on say mo hwe nyame anim edi saa brantie wei ensam a wakati a Akufo Addo a mutumi di adwuma ma no Nyankopon bebisa nyame obebisa mo se me say party won say ayawdi enti enne party no apratiti apansa edi say o mo yi won yam eboa party ni ba sese be bi ahu bibi agu ani so bitimi kasa momi yamwa party fo kakra bi na ehia bi no etimi eseme second Agyapong egu NPP party some your prophet pa me kan sema nka the leading prophet Bernard Brown kame mano me jano ano hyeche edise ni American bia won wonne ye party e ya etu agro the polling station executives constituency executives electoral area coordinators mo na mi so hwemone mo na mo betim e de nokore ami age party na si ho edise dodo ano mo do me da be so da ya nioma mienu sika ene ntokwa
efie nyansa de MPP fo ni bikapa MPP now come read my lips MPP efie nyansa omu ni bikapa jimie pa